All right, now let's get a check on all the markets. Now let's take a look at what's happening in the crypto market. We see the board there. It's a mixture of red and green, but it's majorly red from where I'm sitting at this point. But we see Ethereum holding up strong above the $3,000 level, up about 0.65%, even though we're seeing on the flip side, Bitcoin, that's down by 1.43% at $51,126,000, about $40,000 there. BNB, $386. Bitcoin still managing to hold strong for that level. We see that XRP, that's trading at 53 cents, down about 2.43%. Let's look at the sentiment in the market now. It's a very still a greedy market, at this point, even though we're seeing traders a little jittery at this time, but we're still seeing quite a greedy market at 72 points over 100 at this point. Let's look at some top headlines in the market this afternoon. We see MicroStrategy's X account that got hacked, and we did hear some investors lost a lot of money because of this hack, at this time. Let's look at other stories now in the crypto market. Now we're seeing whales, that's top big giant investors in the market that they refer to as whales. They've accumulated and staked over $45 million in Ethereum at this time. So I guess that's why we're seeing that reflect on the price of Ethereum at this time. Let's bring in Olumide Adesina now, financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide, great to have you.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Laji. Good afternoon.
Yeah, so definitely right here in Nigeria, the P2P market still in focus at this time. We've seen restrictions on some platforms right now. Talk to me about how traders are navigating being restricted, from using Binance and some of these exchanges.
Yeah, so I think when you look at the USDT NGN, the charts used to track the Naira to the dollar, the P2P, popularly on Binance, you could see moderation in the value of the dollar and appreciation on the value of the Naira. Right now, as we speak, the Naira is trading below the 1,600 mark against the USDT pegged dollar. And pretty much that has to do with the fact that the amount of Naira liquidity is not at the level we saw the weeks back, and on the week-to-week again, the Naira has gained over 25%. So the federal government has been able to control the narrative against crypto websites being used as reference point, despite the fact that they pose less systemic dangers. Because if you look at the liquidity chart on the P2P market, it's much lower than what you see on the official market, less than 1/6 of what the daily trading volume is what we have on the board. The reference point at which a lot of players use these platforms was what really made the federal government really. So we are seeing that playing out, and I think for now we are seeing some traders off the table because cautionism and pessimism is already taking play in that market, and the fact that directly don't have access from Nigeria on the websites of this portal also creates bottlenecks. But that has kept a high number of Nigerians agitated that they are not the problem facing the FX market, that we have supply side issues, we have issues of trust, and we have a very bureaucratic official market. But, the federal government has the powers to really intervene at what level they see fit to really put the integrity of the market back into place, and disallow unofficial mechanism from being.
So Olumide, so what you're saying now basically is if we had good inflow of dollars into the market at this time, then whatever pricing was going on Binance or any of these P2P platforms wouldn't have any impact.
Yeah, we definitely have little impact, but these platforms are becoming systemic because they're used for reference points. Like I mentioned, a lot of traders, both on the official and unofficial segment, use these platforms, and that's where the federal government gets a big jittery on, and that's what they're really fighting on.
Right. So I guess it's a brand new week. Definitely be looking out for how the Naira trades in most of these markets as the FX market. Thank you so much, Olumide Adesina, for your perspective. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so that's the show today. Definitely we'll keep tracking all the markets and all the numbers and all the volatility, in this market. Remember, you can visit channelstv.com for more updates. Thank you for watching. I'm Ladi Williams from the team right here at Channels HQ. It's bye for now.